here to kind of review and do over and over and over. For many of you, I think most of you have seen these before. We're just going to review them, and the more we practice, the better we get, okay? So here we go. First one is balsero. Balsero. Let me go ahead and make a demonstration of what balsero is. I tie my shoe first. Alright. Yes. Here we go slowly. Balsero goes like this. It's going to begin with a tap and a cross hand hold. Okay, balsero. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, that's the first measure. A lot of you remember it. And now we're going to go ahead and finish it off going to sombrero. We finish into the hat position. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. And that's balsero. The whole thing is 2 measures long. Finish the leg. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let me do that again. Okay, so that we can see what we're doing. Balsero. The hand signal, once we're going to do it in Correa as well. I'm going to put my finger and I'm going to go, just make a big like a circle in the air with my finger. Se llama balsero. Los balseros que salieron de Cuba. And from what?
A la tierra prometida.
A la tierra prometida. Okay, to the promised land. These are the Cubans that left Cuba on rafts. Okay, the word balseros means rafters or refugee seekers, people who left and on man-made boats in their home. Okay, looking for the promised land. Where is the promised land? Miami. Miami. They want to go to Miami, Florida. So here we go slowly. I'm going balsero. 1, 2, balsero. 5, 6, cross and hold tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Let's go ahead and get it done. Let's practice. We have